founder of phone companies from different countries. Apple, Steve Jobs from United States. Redmi, Li Jun from China. Oppo, Tony Chen from China. Vivo, Sen Wei from China. OnePlus, Pete Lau from China. Google Pixel, Larry Page from United States. Huawei, Ren Zhengfei from China. Motorola, Paul Galvik from United States. Nokia, Fredrik Idestam from Finland. अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें. Realme, Sky Lee from China. Asus, Taju Hasien Tung from Taiwan. Lenovo, Liu Chuanji from China. LG, Ku In Hawaii from South Korea. Techno, Judge Zhu from China. HTC, Chair Wang from Taiwan. Sony, Masaru Ibuka from Japan. Samsung, Lee Byung-chul from South Korea. ZTE, Hou Weigui from China. Panasonic, Konosuke Matsushita from Japan. Honor, Ren Zhengfei from China. Coolpad, Deng Guo from China. Acer, Stan Sahi from Taiwan. Infinix, George Zhou from China. Intex, Narendra Bansal from India. Infocus, Paul Gulick and more from United States. Itel, Li Weigui and more from China. Jio, Mukesh Ambani from India. Carbon, Sudhir Hasija from India. Lava, Hari Om Rai from India. अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें. Macromax, राहुल शर्मा from India. Tata, Ratan Tata from India. Microsoft, Steve Ballmer from United States. Sansui, Rajesh Kothari from Japan. Spice, Bhupendra Kumar Modi from India. Videocon, Venugopal Dhut from India. Zolo, Vishal Segal from India. Reliance, Mukesh Ambani from India. Zen, Azad Patel from India. Toshiba, Tanaka Hisashige from Japan. BlackBerry, Mike Rajaridis from Canada. TCL, Li Dongseng from China. G5, Zhang Wengxiu from China. iWell, Anil Parasrampuria from India. HP, David Packard from United States. HCL, Shiv Nadar from India. Walton, SM Nazrul Islam from Bangladesh. Hitachi, Namihi Odera from Japan. Philips, Gerard Philips from Netherlands. iPhone, David Lim from Philippines. अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें.